You want to become a YouTuber, but the only place you have to record is in your bathroom. There's mold on the wall, and then it could be cool if we could just flip our fingers and then the background is gone and we can change it so it looks like we are in an awesome place. So we're going to talk about how to do that using RunwayML, an AI thing, in this video. So how do we apply this green screen with AI using Runway? We go into the Runway website, and on the bottom left corner there's a tab called All Tools. We click on that one, we go to Remove Background, we click on the Remove Background, takes us to the screen. Then either we can drag the file, the MP4 file or the recording we have where we want to remove the background to the video, or we can go up here and click, and then we can pick which file we want. Then we pick the file, we click open, and the file then loads after some time and comes up. Then we can start clicking on ourselves. So we click on the parts that we want to keep, and then we turn green. Then we go to the right side, we turn the transparency to 100%. We click done masking. For one reason or another, we have to do this 2 times. So we do this 2 times. Then when we've done this 2 times, then it takes us to the screen. Then we can, it's a good idea to click around a little bit in the recording, see if it's like we want it to be. If we're happy with it, then we go and we click export. Then we have the option with the resolution. Do we want 720, 180p, 4K? Which format do we want? If we want ProRes, then we need a more expensive subscription to Runway. When we are happy with our selection, we click export video. Then it takes us to this screen where it's where we can see how far it is. And after some time, then sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So sometimes it just gets stuck. It happens often if I take the raw video from my DJI cameras, then it gets stuck. So if I want to avoid that, then it's a good idea to just go download CapCut, put the raw video file in there, just export it, and then put it up. That usually solves that problem. If the video is longer than 15 minutes, then you can't do this thing. So then it's a good idea again to use CapCut. Go into CapCut, then you can split the file. So you find where it's less than 15 minutes. Then you click this button, you cut it in half. Then you can export one part of the video. And after you've done that, then you can go back. You can click Control-C, and that takes you to where you cut the video. Then you can delete the other part, and then you can export it, and then you can put it into Runway in smaller pieces, and then you can stitch them together using, for instance, CapCut afterwards. When the videos are done, then look something like this. We click the 3 small dots, we click download, and boom, then it's done. We can't use the free version of Runway. I'm not sponsored by Runway. We have to use the standard version or the pro version if you want the ProRes resolution, which just takes up insane amounts of space. I haven't had any use for that, and that gives us access to all apps, and we use this as much as we want. It doesn't use any credits. If you like the video, give it a like. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. If you want to watch a video about how we then change the background in DaVinci Resolve, I have a video to that up here. If you don't like Runway, you want to use DaVinci Resolve instead, I have a video to how to do this, the same thing, just doing it in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.